Welcome to your 8:15 daily operations weather briefing. We have a humid and warm start to the day, seeing temperatures near 80 degrees as of 8:15 this morning. You're going to see temperatures today in the upper 80s for highs, near 90 degrees, as well as dew points in the mid-70s today. So we'll see heat indices approaching 100 degrees for later this afternoon. We'll see a weak front moving towards the region for late today. That's going to give us a slight chance of a shower or thunderstorm as we move into the late evening hours into the early overnight hours tonight. But overall for today, during the work hours, going to see dry conditions expected. Slightly breezy south-southwesterly winds this afternoon after the sea breeze comes on shore. Taking a look at our current surface analysis, we have a front approaching from the west. It's currently out of the Ohio Valley, giving areas from the deep south through the Ohio Valley some showers and thunderstorms this morning. These storms will continue to weaken as they move towards the region and giving us more upper-level cirrus cloudiness for later this afternoon, the evening hours, but we'll see this lee trough across the eastern portion of the Appalachian Mountains provide us with some showers and thunderstorms developing for later this afternoon, the evening to our west and approaching for the late evening into the overnight hours. Taking a look at our current observation, a few clouds at 1,000, 5,000, scattered deck at 20,000, broken deck at 25,000. Winds out of the southwest 8 knots, temperature 79 degrees, and relative humidity around 85%. Let's take a look at our our current satellite imagery. See, we do have some mid and upper level cloudiness just off to our north, looking at a fairly good clear sky across our region with some filtered sunshine currently. And taking a look at the HERM model for today, you can see those showers and thunderstorms starting to develop well off to our northwest by about 4 to 5 o'clock this afternoon into the evening, and then they will approach the region most likely during the late evening into the early overnight hours, and these showers and thunderstorms should become more broken to isolated in coverage as they move towards the region for that time period. So only going to see about a 20% chance of a shower or thunderstorm. So taking a look at our risk chart for today, a high today of 88 degrees. Dew points will be around 73 to 74 degrees, and that should give us heat indices around 95 to 100 degrees for this afternoon. Our overnight low will be around 77 degrees tonight to 76 degrees, so a warm overnight low tonight. We'll see that 20% chance of a shower or thunderstorm after 2100 local until about 4 local Tuesday morning. And then by tomorrow morning, should see temperatures quickly rising back in the low 80s by 8 a.m. With a southwesterly wind at 6 to 11 knots. Other highlight here will be our south-southwesterly winds for later this afternoon into the early evening hours with sustained winds 11 to 16 knots, gusting as high as 22 knots. So shouldn't see our wind advisory or risk category of 25 knots or greater here, but should see some slightly breezy conditions with that sea breeze moving on shore. Our 24-hour terminal forecast is going to see VFR conditions the next 24 hours. We'll see the only chance of lower ceilings with those thunderstorms at a 20 to 30% chance for later on this afternoon into the evening hours, I should say. As we move, as our tides looking normal and moving into Tuesday and Wednesday, Tuesday partly cloudy, hot, humid, a slight chance of an afternoon pop-up shower or thunderstorm, high of 90. Tuesday night, mostly clear and warm, low of 75. And for Wednesday, partly cloudy, hot and humid with a very slight chance of an afternoon pop-up shower or thunderstorm. We'll see a high of 91 degrees. Both days on Tuesday and Wednesday, heat indices will be approaching 100 degrees during the afternoon. Well, that's going to complete our 8:15 daily operations weather brief. I hope everybody has a great day today. Back at 10 o'clock to look at the next 7 days.